Well, apparently, my kitchen's on fire, and you're standing next to it.
That would never hold up in court.
What did you do?
It's not what I did. It's what you did.
What did I do?
You failed to keep the fridge stocked with pizza.
Did you blow up my fridge? I swear, man. Oh. Ah! 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 You blew up my fridge, man!
What good is a fridge if there's no pizza in it?
I swear, you're the devil, El Diablo.
No, man. I'm just hungry.
You buy me a new fridge.
You know damn well I ain't got no money.
Your car is worth just as much as the fridge. I'm selling your car.
Good luck with that.
Why is your car on fire? Hey, your car's on fire. I swear, man, every single time it's something new comes up. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Order me a pizza right now with your credit card, and I'll let you live.
I'm pretty sure there's no pizza places open right now.
Well then, I guess you're no use to me now.
Oh, wait, I just remembered, yeah. There's this new 24-hour pizza place, yeah.
You just saved your life.
Okay, let me just get my cell phone from the room.
Nice try. Use the phone over here.
Okay, calm down.
Looking for this? I'm always one step ahead of you, noob. Subscribe now, because that cheating noob is gonna respawn, and I'm gonna have to take him down again. And click like if you think pizza rules!